What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this full day of eating and a day in the life. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I am eating throughout the day, and today is a busy day as usual, but we love busy days because busy is good. Me and my sister Jessica, we actually leave to Greece May 7th, which it is currently the 1st of May. Happy 1st of May, happy 1st of the month. And then her and I leave next week, Tuesday. I wanna say Tuesday, yes, May 7th. This past week, I was taking this intense leadership courses. As you guys know, last time I was kind of telling you about them. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I had like 12-hour days and I did not work out really. I did a few days of like a little bit of cardio, but I didn't really do anything else because I had other things to do as opposed to like going to the gym that were more priority in that moment for the time that I had that I wasn't in training, which were like 12-hour days, right? So I didn't really go to the gym. I'll be honest, my diet was not the best either. I prepped my food half the time, but then the other time I was like, it was long days and I was just finding myself snacking and I wasn't beating myself up for it because when you're tired, you tend to eat more. And so that was kind of my case last week. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm getting on track for these next couple of days, especially today going into Greece, because your girl don't wanna be a muffin top, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, not beating myself up for that at all, getting right back onto my training on my nutrition. I always tell you guys that that's the best thing to do. I would not recommend starving yourself or doing loads of cardio because that doesn't make a difference. Okay, so sorry I did not show you guys what I ate this morning, but I had my usual. If you are a new subscriber, welcome and hello to all my lovely loyals. I basically just have oats, like plain raw cut still oats, and then I put in some blueberries, and then I put in half a scoop of NLA for her protein powder. I do one like scoop of that, and then I put in a little bit of almond milk. So that's what I had this morning. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and make some egg whites. I'm gonna add I picked up spinach. You guys, I am like seriously not somebody who eats like a lot of vegetables, but they are so good for you and it's so important to incorporate them into your freaking diet. So any ways that you can incorporate them, find ways, okay? Me naturally, I do not want to eat any vegetables. I don't think they're gross, but I just don't really care for them. Like I'd rather not eat them, but they're really good for you. So baby spinach, this is perfect to throw in with your egg whites. So I also have not been eating much egg whites because egg whites is like, eggs are dairy and I have very adult acne prone skin. And so I was kind of testing it out. So I'm incorporating it back in, but I used to just survive off egg whites. So I kind of like having more of a balance with it now. So I'm having, can I not hit myself? A little bit of egg whites. So I'm gonna do some egg whites, and then, yes, we're getting our day started. I have to do some laundry. I started packing early for Greece. Let me just be honest with you guys. You know, your girl's not perfect, okay? Still, it's been like a month since I've been moved in. You figure it out, so I'm gonna do that right now. In my complex, it's actually like outside laundry, which I do not mind because it's literally like right by my house, not complaining. So I have to do some laundry, finishing up some packing actually for Greece. Need to figure this out because we're going for 10 days. And then your girl is gonna go ship out her booty bands. Booty bands. I know you guys are so excited about the booty bands. And I'm so excited because we will be, as you see, restocking very soon with the bands. And I'm also super stoked because I'm working on new colors that'll be launching very soon. So stay tuned for that. If you have not picked up a Noel Arevalo Fitness booty band, it's always in the description box, you guys. But so we're getting this day started. I love you so much. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope that you enjoy this video. It's gonna be a fun day, so stay tuned. Gonna get in a lift today as well, and then show you guys some of our furniture we got. It's coming along, it's coming along. See, not beating myself up. Not too bad for, not being on the most strict regimen yet, but we're going to be getting back to it today. So I love you guys. Let's start this vlog. So cool. It's literally like a cracker. Egg whites are ready. Any kind of egg whites, really. Just did all egg whites, liquid. Got it from Ralph's. And then baby spinach. I am having a diet A&W. Diet soda is not the best for you. When I find that I'm really, really hungry, I've just been having an insane appetite recently. So I have diet soda every now and then, and it helps really suppress my appetite because it's like filling, it's like satiating. Egg white. Sorry, I'm eating while I'm talking. There's bugs in it, you guys. I gotta go drop off my bands. I'm actually fulfilling the orders for my booty bands. It's like the starting process to things. I really don't feel like I was supposed to be like a born entrepreneur. Responsibility and organizations is not my thing. But once the bands start selling a lot more, I'm going to be doing them from like another fulfillment place, which is where other people will package and send them for you, which is really cool. It's like the beginning process of everything. It's going to be so awesome to like look back on it and be like, wow, that's how I first started out. So it's very, I don't know, it's a really cool journey. Guys, we're heading out to the post office. So excited. Look what came in the mail. I ordered dumbbells. I'm actually gonna probably eventually order an entire set. These are 25, so I could start doing at-home workouts for you guys and filming them, and then also with my bands, giving you guys ideas of at-home workouts with my bands. But we are off to the post office, and this is what it looks like. Beginning stages of Noel's bands. Lego. First, I want to show you my snack. So, as I told you guys, I actually have been having a crazy appetite lately. So just had that diet soda, helped a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and have a Power Crunch bar. You guys, these are freaking so good. This is not sponsored. The only thing is I will say that Power Crunch bars they're literally like wafers. Not a fan of wafers, but these crave sweet tooths. The only thing is they are a little higher fat, I will say that. It's 12 fat, but it's low carb, 10 carb, and 13 grams of protein. So not too much protein, perfect amount of carbs, and then it is a little higher fat. And then I'm gonna have this from Kirkland, Italian sparkling mineral water, to help fill up my belly because my freaking cravings are through the roof. And I'm gonna go drop off bands, and then off to Gainesville we go, AKA the gym. Love you guys. Alright guys, so I just got back from the gym. I didn't do cardio, but I did lift. I'm gonna go back later and do cardio. But I'm gonna make myself a little snack really fast, and I'm also gonna prep food. These pretzel chips, Snack Factory, oh, you guys, these are so good. These are the everything. They have so many different flavors. I honestly love all of them. I'm such a big pretzel person. So I'm gonna have a serving of these. These are perfect for like on the go, little snack. And then I'm gonna do this roasted red pepper hummus. I'll probably have like about half of it. And then I got these from, it says Kroger, but I got them from Ralph's. And they're little bags of carrots. I don't count my vegetables, for those of you who have wondered. That's why you never see me weigh them in my videos. The energy it takes your body to break them down, essentially, as long as you're not eating like a freaking full ball of lettuce or something, they end up kind of essentially burning themselves because they're so fibrous. Plus they're really low carb to begin with. So I'm having a bag definitely of petite carrots, getting in my veggies. All right, for those of you who are new, welcome, love you. For those of you who are my loyals, you guys know that I love convenience. I'm not a cooker, that's not me. The man who marries me, he needs to know how to cook because cooking is not my thing. I value convenience, especially when it comes to cooking. So this is the most convenient way. God bless my roommate, Sarah, who's amazing. She loves cooking, not me. This, you guys, this seasoning, I put on everything. This right here, literally everything. So I'm just warming up some water right now to prep some broccoli. And then all I do literally is, this is usually how big the salmon will be for me. This will prep like anywhere from like around 6 meals, I'd say. I literally just put some of that on top of it. I put the oven to 375 and I, you know, just crunch in the foil like that and you pop it into the oven and It depends. Sometimes, depending on how big the salmon is, it'll either be like 45 minutes or it'll be like an hour. So just make sure that you check it. And dude, it literally like is just shreds. It like shreds in your mouth. The most easiest, simple way to prep salmon, and it's freaking bomb. So if you guys try it, comment below, let me know. Love me later. So you guys, what my little snackaroo looks like. Got some carrots, got some of these things, freaking love them. And this hummus, oh wow. Roasted red pepper, you guys. All right, you guys, so how I'm gonna end the rest of my day with eating is definitely gonna be probably 2 meals of the salmon and the broccoli that I'm currently prepping. And then I got some chocolate and chocolate rice cakes. So I'll probably have serving of chocolate rice cakes that are super good. They're the Quaker's brand, not sponsored. And then also I have some Dove chocolate and Ghirardelli chocolate. So I get to choose between those. But anyways, as you guys see, like this is just literally like I live like a very healthy based lifestyle. I eat healthy, but then I also have stuff that I enjoy, but it's definitely balanced, and I do the whole portion control thing, and that's why I love macros, because it teaches you flexible dieting, so where you're able to have chocolate and have healthy food, and then also it really teaches you portion control, which is like I always talk about how important that is, because you could be eating the healthiest diet regimen and be consuming too much portion wise. So that's why I love macros. But that's what I'm gonna end with the rest of my day. Thank you so much for being a part of my day. I know my life isn't like that fantastically fun, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyhow. But yeah, so going into Greece, let's see, what is today? Wednesday, and then we leave Tuesday super early in the morning. I'm so freaking excited. But leading up into it, I'm not doing anything drastically crazy to go there looking super lean or whatever, but I am definitely being on top of everything. Like my nutrition going forward from, you know, yesterday until Tuesday. And yeah, so that's what I do whenever I'm trying to, you know, whenever I'm going on vacation and I know that I want to do content like pictures and all that stuff, like I don't do anything drastically crazy. Like I'm not starving myself. I'm not doing loads of cardio. Like I'm gonna go do cardio later, and I'm probably just gonna burn around, I don't know, I'll probably do around like 20 minutes. And so yeah, so that's how I like prep whenever I go places before I go on vacation. And so yeah, there's nothing really particular, just combine the words, it just makes it more simple. What the freak was that? Anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and make sure to subscribe if you are not already, because there are some fun, awesome videos planned, especially my Greece vlogs are gonna be epic. I cannot wait. So yeah, so showing you guys my preparation to going into Greece. I'll probably do another vlog before I actually go to Greece. And my sister will be coming into town, Jessica, for those of you who are subscribed to her channel, follow her. So we'll probably do some kind of Q&A as well. So if you guys have any questions for me and my sister, she's very fitness based as well. If you do not know who she is, make sure you check her out, Jessica Arevalo. I'll put her here. So her and I will probably do another Q&A, because our last Q&A we did was a lot of freaking fun. So yes, guys, that's gonna conclude that video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I love you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. I don't even know what that is upstairs. But yes, I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and I will see you in the next video. You are amazing and spectacular. Don't ever forget. Love you.